I'm going to show you some dance moves to try at home. A lot of Bollywood dance originated from traditional Indian dance, so there's lots of hand movements to use. But I'm going to show you a couple now. You're going to put your thumb on your first two fingers, there, and your other fingers, you push them away as far as you can. I hope you can see that. And we're going to have our elbows out to the side. So you hold your hands here in the middle of your chest and your elbows out. When you open your arms out, either to the side or up and down, you want to open your hand as far as it will go and try and get your little finger onto the base of your thumb there. So when your hands are out, the fingers are really spread. So it could be there, could be to the side, other way, there. Okay, so we'll go from here. We're going to take one arm down and bring it back. Every time you come in, you hold your elbows out and your fingers like this. There. Take it up, take it up, down, down, up, up. You can use one arm up and one arm down, the other way. And with that, you can make it a lunge and come in. Remember, each time you come in, bring it to this position. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is what we call the doorknob step. So, arms go up and the backs of your hands face the front, and you twist the doorknob. So, you twist from the back of your hand round to the palm. There. As you do that, you're going to step out and in, out and in. We'll do it 4 times, one way, and then 4 times the other way. 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Here we go. Step out and change. Out, change the hands round. 3 and 4. Other way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. In between you can bring them in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. Another step to use, a little jumping step. You're going to go from one corner to the other. Your hands stay by your side and you do 1, 2, 3, and then you clap, slap, slap on your thighs. 1, 2, 3, slap, slap. 1, 2, 3, slap, slap. 1, 2. Easy. Another one. Bring the foot forward and back, forward, back 3 times. Forward and then turn round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. Forward, back, forward, back, turn, 2, 3, 4. The next one is a bit of an odd step. Looks a bit disco-y. You step 1, 2, step together, step. Side, side, step together, step. You twist, twist, twist. Step together, step, twist, twist. Step together, step. Hands for that. You brush through, up and through. So prayer position and open. There. And it becomes 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Good. Another one is based on a traditional Indian dance move, and it's as if you're digging the ground ready to sow your seeds. So you're digging 1, 2, 3, 4, then you sow your seeds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other way, dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, sow your seeds. Let's do that again. Dig. 2, 3, 4. Sow the seeds. Again, dig. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and of course, when you've planted all your seeds, you want the sun to come out so they grow. And this time you're going to take your arms up and over, you bring them in and stretch them out, right by the side of your head. Over, in, out. Over, in, out, over, in, out. At the same time, we can jump. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, over, up, up, over, up, up. The last one is in a hand and arm movement. We start off in prayer position. 1. You stretch your arms out. 2. You're going to clap them above your head on 3. Bring them back down to prayer position on 4. Out. In. Head. Head. Let's start with our hands here instead of prayer. 1, 2. Clap. Down. Out. In. Head. Head. Again. 1, 2. Clap. Down. Out. In. Head. Head. I'm going to put them together into a routine for you now, but of course you can make up any dance you like, to any music you like, but it's good if it's really bouncy and jolly. Here we go. Off we go, and we go down, in, down, and up, up, again. Now one arm up, one arm down. 2, 3. You've got a big garden. Off you go. Remember this one? Digging and sow the seeds. Here comes the jumps and slaps. Around. Here comes the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Namaste. Thank you very much.